Hi guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Katie Polly and here is a new episode. So let's begin by doing my edges with a brush and the usual gel, the nice and lovely gel. And definitely we need something to lay down the edges. So yes, I'm going to use these wipes. I don't know if they were effective by the way, but it is what it is. I'll be using the spoolie brush for the eyebrows. For the eye pencil, you already know, number 18 it is. And to shape, I will use these two concealers and of course in different shades. If you know me, you know I can't get rid of this brush. It's more than 7 years old, imagine. But oh well. So in case you're wondering, the sellotape helps to do the eyeshadow and you do not need it if you are a pro. Okay, so I'll go in with the Naked eyeshadow palette. This is more like covering the concealer to begin with. So now we can put the eyeshadow base. You can start with it, but I did choose the long way. Okay, now the eyeliner. Kumach nayo labda wakwe makuzo he wada. So now let's shift to the eyeliner pencil because my eyes are a bit teary. So for the eyelashes, this time I'm gonna do better than the last time. You know. Now let's do the primer. Back to the face makeover. Then we go in with this foundation, whatever it is. So a transition to the blender. Let's cook. So with the concealer, I don't know by the way why we do this, but let's do it anyway. So we start with a lighter shade of powder. I don't know if this is yellow or something, but since nilidanganywa nikanunua, imagine you got to use it. So we go in with a good shade. I'm not saying the other one is bad or something, but so I use the rosemary to set the makeup as a setting spray. Okay, let's use these two lipstick shades. Now I will use my eyeshadow palette again for the blush. And yes, we are more like done. Setting the last time, of course. And the final look. Look at those edges. Okay guys, bye.